Watch this. It started 3 nights after my grandmother died. At exactly 3:17 every morning, my phone rang. The first night, I ignored it. The second night, I answered. There was only static at first. Then I heard her voice. Soft, weak, trembling. Don't open the door. I froze. My grandmother had been buried 2 days earlier. This horror short film was created with just one simple prompt. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys on how this exact channel like this is actually implementing this and getting millions of views in their channel simply by creating 2D horror stories. And the good part of it is that if you actually follow me to the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys on how you can actually create this in long form content using your smartphone. But before we proceed to that, if today is your first time of visiting my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Next thing you are going to do is to open up your ChatGPT. Next thing you are going to do is to open your Google Doc document. If you actually need this exact prompt I'm using, simply comment in the comment section Josh AI prompt and I'm going to send that link to you directly. So what we are going to do now is to simply copy this exact prompt from A to Z. So when you copy that, simply go over to your ChatGPT to paste that. Then you send. ChatGPT will actually analyze this exact prompt and give you a particular topic in horror stories. So which you are going to see right here, 10 viral horror mystery animated story ideas. So this is the idea ChatGPT have given to us. So what you are going to do is to actually pick in the exact particular one you need in this video. So choose any particular one that resonates with you. So I'm going to be choosing number 3, which is my dead grandma keep calling at 3:17 a.m. So I'm going to simply put in 3. Now ChatGPT will actually ask you how long do you want this video to be. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be telling it to create at least 2 minutes video for me. But if you want longer, like 5 minutes, you can actually comment 5 minutes and ChatGPT will do that instantly for you. So right here, what ChatGPT will actually do right now is to create a viral title, SEO optimization description, and then the scene and animated prompt, and then last they will actually create a voiceover for you. So what you are going to do now is to actually wait for ChatGPT to write that. So right now, ChatGPT have written that for us. What you are going to do now is to actually copy the exact effects prompt, which is the image generation prompt. Simply copy it and start generating image for us. So what we are going to do is to copy this and then go over to any particular software of your choice. But for me, I'm going to be using Gemini. Right here in Gemini, I'm going to simply generate the prompt. So I'm going to advise you to actually first of all generate all the prompts you need in this video. So when you have actually generated that, then we can move to the next. So let me do that. Right here, you can actually see that Gemini have actually generated all the image we need in this exact episode. Well, what I'm going to do now is to tap and hold and download all the images for this exact video. So when you have actually downloaded that, go back to ChatGPT and then start generating your motion prompt. So what you are going to do is to actually copy your motion prompt and then go over to Google Flow to be able to generate that. So right here in Google Flow, right now I'm actually using my free account on Google Flow. If you have actually watched my past video, you are going to learn how to get 1000 credit for your Google Flow. So what you are going to do now is to actually import all the image you have actually generated. So when you have actually imported that, this is the way it will actually look like. So right now what I'm going to do is to actually select the first image, which is this particular one. This is the first image. I'm going to add it right here and then select this exact stuff to video frame and 16:9, not 9:16, and then right here select it only 1x. So I'm going to actually advise you to maximize your credit. To actually minimize the way you use your credit, I'll advise you to go for VLO 3.1 light. Don't go for fast because it will consume a lot of credit for you and still give you the same result. So what I'm going to do now is to paste in that motion prompt and then click on generate, and that will start generating, which you are going to see right here that I have actually done that already in this process. So once you have actually generated the videos and everything right now, so what you're going to do next is to now go to 11 Labs or any particular software of your choice to be able to do your voiceover. So right now, this is my narrator right here. I'm not going to copy everything right now. So what I'm going to do simply is to just copy the few ones that I can copy right here and then go over to the place I want to generate that. So right here in 11 Labs, I'm using the Pro version. So what you're going to go is to click on Studio. In my 11 Lab, I'm using my voice. I clone my voice in it so that I will not get inauthentic content when I'm posting my videos. But I will strongly advise you to start using your own voice to be doing your voiceover. With that, it will minimize or minimize how inauthentic content will be affecting you. So what I'm going to do now is to simply tap on this. I've actually done this so far, but what I'm going to do is to simply do what? Copy and paste the stuff I have actually copied, or the narrator I have actually copied from ChatGPT, and this will actually translate it to my voice, which you are going to listen to it right here. Started 3 nights after my grandmother died at exactly 3:17 every morning. So you can actually see that this exact particular thing sounds like me. So what you're going to do to export it to your phone and start moving to the next thing, which is your editing. So now for us to be able to edit or come together to be able to put in effects and sound, we are going to be using CapCut. Right here in CapCut, what I'm going to do is to simply select all the video I've generated line by line, then click on add to add it to the frame. So when you have added that, simply do what? Click on audio to import your voiceover. In device, allow, then select 11 Labs. So guys, you can actually see right here that I've imported the exact voice narrator. So this is it. It started 3 nights after my grandmother died at exactly 3:17 every morning. So what you are going to do now is to start selecting the image to suit what the narrator is actually doing. So when you have actually done that, what you are going to do next is to put in your sound effects and background music. So I'm going to put in searching horror. You see how the horror sound is sounding? Simply lower it. Then that's it for you. You can simply listen to it and see everything that is actually happening. So when you have actually done that, simply select it to match every sound and start selecting your sound effects. So to select your sound effect is click on sound FX and then you put in the sound effect you want it to be. Edit your video very well so that you are not going to have issue with YouTube, and you can start posting it on YouTube when you have actually done everything to post it on YouTube and Rumble and start getting paid when you get monetized. And that's it for today's video. If you actually enjoyed the video and want to see more of it in the future, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.